I purchased the moreFit Vogue Smart Watch from Amazon for under £40. Here's my quick first impressions. So once we've opened up the box, we've obviously got the watch in there. We get a screen protector, which I have unsuccessfully placed onto the watch. We get a magnetic USB charger, a user manual, and we also get this tool here, which allows you to adjust the size of the watch strap and to allow you to remove the watch strap itself. So now moving on to the watch, to adjust the watch strap, you just literally lift this lever up here and this moves up and down. To place the watch on, it just clips in and you close it like so. So once your watch is fully charged, you go to the App Store, install KingFit, open it up, press the connect button, and for me it connected to the watch instantly. There was no issues at all. So from within here you can choose all your settings. You can choose your message notifications, turn the wrist. Effectively that's when you raise your arm to look at your watch, it will turn the watch face on. Didn't really need to adjust anything here, it just worked out of the box. You've also got adjust brightness, and that's set to auto, that works fine. And we have the settings of main interface style, so basically that changes the watch interface style, which I'll show you now. Okay, so the default style is this one here, which I wasn't too keen on. That's style number 1, 2, 3, which is what I'm using, and number 4. Okay, so let's talk about the screen now briefly. As I said, it's not a total touch screen. You have to activate it by touching the button at the bottom. Even though we've got a nice round circular watch face, the actual screen itself is actually only a square screen set within the round watch face, and the resolution is 240 by 240. Okay, so let's take a look at the watch. So we're going to turn the wrist to activate the screen, and there we have the time, how many steps we've taken, and here we've got how many calories we've burnt, how many miles we've done, steps, and how far along we've come to reach our goal. Heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, sleep monitor, find phone. Now to activate that we have to press and hold the bottom of the screen, and as you can see the phone is now ringing. So to stop that you press the button again, and then you can choose your sports activity here and turn the phone off here, or should I say turn the watch off here. So let's have a look at this heart rate monitor and blood pressure monitor. I've done a test and it seems like the heart rate monitor is very accurate indeed, but the blood pressure monitor, using a blood pressure machine that I have, they don't tally up, so I don't think the blood pressure monitor works well or at all on this watch. But the good news is the heart rate monitor seems to be extremely accurate. The watch is also waterproof. I have dipped it into the sink and left it there for 5 minutes. I've showered with it and it works well. And the only thing I would say is when the watch face is wet or your fingers are wet, the button at the bottom of the screen doesn't seem to work. So you have to have dry fingers and a dry watch to use the screen, which is annoying if you go swimming. For under £40, to be honest, it does seem to be nicely built. It is stainless steel. The battery life on it seems to be very good. There are reports of between 5 and 6 days, and I can easily believe that. I'm going to keep this watch because all I really need is to tell the time, to see how many steps I've done, and when I lose my phone, which is quite often, to try and find my phone. So for under £40 from Amazon, I'm really pleased with this watch, and yeah, I think I would recommend it. It certainly should be on the shortlist anyway. But anyway, that's my quick first impressions. If you've got any questions about it, just ask in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching.